What if I told you that the key to investing faster isn't about earning more money, but about mastering your budget? Imagine turning your budget into a launch pad for your investment journey, propelling you towards financial growth with less effort, more efficiency, and less stress. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. In today's video, I'm going to show you how budgeting isn't just about saving. It's about accelerating your investments. Whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize your investment strategy, budgeting is the powerful tool that can fast-track your growth. Let's break down the strategies that will help you start investing faster by mastering your budget. 1. Eliminating willpower friction through automation. If you've ever struggled to stick to your savings goals, you know how much willpower it takes. The truth is, most people fail at saving and investing because they rely on discipline. And that's a problem. The secret to consistent investing isn't willpower, it's automation. Here's the move. Instead of waiting until the end of the month to save what's left over, you need to pay yourself first. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck directly to your investment account. This ensures that investing happens automatically, without you needing to think about it. You don't wait for leftovers. You make sure the first portion of your income goes toward growing your wealth. Many retirement platforms now offer features like auto escalation, which automatically increase your contribution by 1% each year. This gradual increase ensures that you're constantly building your investment over time without the need for any extra action on your part. By automating your investment process, you eliminate the decision-making process that often derails people. With automatic transfers, you don't need to rely on your willpower to save. It happens by default. Auto escalation also helps increase your contribution each year, so you don't even notice the difference, but your wealth grows consistently. It's one of the easiest ways to invest without thinking, allowing you to stay focused on other priorities while your investments build themselves. 2. Identifying stealth capital. Budgeting isn't just about controlling your spending. It's about uncovering hidden capital that can be redirected into investments. Many people don't realize how much money is slipping through the cracks in their monthly expenses. Budgeting helps you identify hidden pools of money that can be immediately funneled into assets. Here's the strategy. Use subscription audits to identify unused recurring charges that are draining your account. Platforms like Rocket Money or Monarch can help you automatically spot and eliminate these expenses. For example, that $15 subscription you forgot about? By canceling it and redirecting that money into your investment account, you're potentially turning it into $15,000 or more over the next 30 years, thanks to the magic of compounding. Once you've finished paying off a debt or canceling a service, set up an auto transfer for that same amount directly into your investment account. This is called found money redirects. You take what you were already spending and funnel it into your future wealth. Many people are unaware of the small, recurring expenses that add up over time. Subscription audits allow you to identify stealth capital, money that's just slipping through your fingers. By redirecting these funds into investments, you're boosting your savings without increasing your expenses. It's all about making sure that every dollar you have is working for you, not disappearing into thin air. To take it a step further, apply the same approach to areas like utility bills, insurance, and even food delivery subscriptions. These minor adjustments can add up quickly, and when compounded over years, they result in significant returns. Moreover, setting up regular reviews, monthly or quarterly, ensures that you're continuously optimizing your spending habits. This ongoing effort creates a snowball effect, where small changes build momentum and contribute to your financial growth. By using found money redirects, you're effectively transforming dead money into an active investment engine, accelerating your path to financial independence. 3. Creating an investment runway. Before you start investing large amounts, it's crucial to create a financial safety net, something that gives you the psychological confidence to take investment risks without worrying about your immediate needs. Budgeting helps you build this runway, ensuring that you have safety before making high-growth investments. The move here is to separate your expenses into needs and wants. A modern budgeting framework, like the 50/30/20 rule, can help you allocate 50% of your income for your needs: housing, utilities, food, etc., 30% for your wants, entertainment, dining out, etc., and 20% for savings and investments. Once you've set this framework, focus on building an emergency fund that can cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. With this cushion, you'll never feel the need to panic sell investments during a downturn, and you'll have peace of mind knowing that you have the financial security to weather storms. This safety net doesn't just provide financial stability, it provides mental stability, allowing you to take calculated risks without being governed by fear. Having that emergency fund gives you the freedom to stick with your investment strategy, even when the market experiences volatility, and to continue investing with confidence. Knowing that you have a buffer to handle life's unpredictability enables you to focus on your long-term wealth-building strategy. It's the foundation that helps you stay grounded, avoid making rash decisions, and ultimately stay on course for financial success. 4. Leveraging modern budgeting tech. We live in an age where technology can help you take your budgeting and investing to the next level. With the rise of AI-powered tools, banking apps, and integrated financial platforms, it's easier than ever to find investment gaps in real time and make smarter decisions. Here's the move. Many banking apps now use AI to alert you when you have a surplus based on predicted monthly expenses. This allows you to automatically sweep extra cash into a high-yield savings account or brokerage account, ensuring that no money sits idle in your checking account. Additionally, gamified saving apps, like the 52-week challenge or the 100-envelope challenge, turn budgeting into a game, helping you accumulate $5,000 or more in investment capital in just a few months. Modern budgeting tech doesn't just help you track your spending. It automatically adjusts and optimizes your financial strategy. AI-powered spending alerts make it easier to find extra cash to invest, while gamified saving turns saving money into a fun challenge. These tools take the mental effort out of budgeting and investing, making it simpler and more intuitive to build wealth. By setting up automated systems that track your expenses and savings goals, you can steadily grow your capital without constant effort. In this fast-paced, tech-driven world, these innovations allow you to optimize your financial situation with minimal time spent, empowering you to make smarter investment decisions on autopilot. 5. The invisible transfer method. This strategy is about making your money work for you without even thinking about it. It's the invisible transfer method, which ensures that your wealth-building habits are on autopilot. Here's the strategy. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your investment accounts. These can be small transfers that don't even affect your day-to-day spending, but over time, these transfers can add up to significant amounts. The move is to treat every dollar you earn as a potential investment. Instead of spending it or letting it sit idle in your bank account, you make it work by investing it consistently. By automating your investments, you remove the decision fatigue that comes with budgeting. This method also helps you stay disciplined by eliminating the temptation to spend any extra cash. With time, you'll notice the compounding effect where your wealth steadily grows, and the process feels seamless. Additionally, setting it up early ensures that you won't miss out on opportunities to take advantage of market fluctuations or potential high-growth periods. It's a simple, powerful way to make long-term wealth building a part of your routine without the stress or constant reminders. These strategies work because they focus on creating habits and systems that make investing easier, more efficient, and less reliant on willpower. Budgeting, when done right, isn't about restricting your lifestyle. It's about setting up a system where your money works for you. By automating your savings, identifying hidden capital, and creating a safety net, you're ensuring that every dollar has a purpose and is working towards your long-term financial goals. So, there you have it. 5 smart ways to start investing faster through budgeting. From automating investments to identifying hidden capital and leveraging tech, these strategies will put you on the path to financial freedom with minimal effort. The key is consistency and setting up systems that keep you on track. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more actionable tips on how to grow your wealth and secure your financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.